So good morning, students. Today we will discuss next concept that is based on foot of the perpendicular and image of a point now in this. Now is a given a straight line, any straight line. In a straight line in this, okay. Now this equation of line is given ax plus by plus c equal to 0, and this is a point P, that is x1 comma y1. If you draw perpendicular line from point P to the line, it meets at this point. This point we called as Q, that is a Q, H comma K, that is a foot of the perpendicular. And P to Q, how much distance is there? Then Q to R also same distance. Then the image of point P lies in opposite side of the line, that is R. This R is nothing but what here? Image of point P with respect to the line. Then how to find the foot of the perpendicular and image points? Now by using have shortcut formula, that is foot of the perpendicular of or from P x1 comma y1 to the line now. To the line, that line equation is ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is taken the point here, what symbol? Q. That is Q h comma k we need to find out. And for this we have shortcut formula, that is h minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Now similarly we can find another formula, that is image. What is the image we taken as for diagram? R is the image point, that is image of the point P x1 comma y1 with respect to the line. That line equation is ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is, for easy purpose I'll take R also some h comma k, but here R nothing but what? Image. Okay, now we have a shortcut formula for this also. H minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to minus 2 times of ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by a square plus b square. Now in this, these two are the shortcut formulas. Here foot of the perpendicular and image, here you can see here 2 not there, here 2 is. There is a difference between these two formulas. Okay. Now next, based on this, we have few more terms. Now what is the reflection? Reflection nothing but image only. Reflection of a point A comma B with respect to the x-axis. Not exactly x-axis, we can take other one, that is for example the line y equal to x is, that means what here? the image of point A comma B with respect to line y is equal to x. Here what happened, y and x are interchanging, then the reflection point is B comma A. Similarly, one more condition in this, reflection of a point A comma B with respect to the line y is equal to minus x. Here what happened, each one having a negative sign changes. Here the image becomes what, here minus b comma minus a. Next, one more, the reflection of a function. That function having both x and y terms are involved, f of x comma y in the x-axis. With respect to x-axis, how to find a reflection of f of x comma y? Here what happened, when reflection of x-axis means, for example, if x and y both are positive, it lies in first quadrant. When the reflection of x-axis means it goes to which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. Now fourth quadrant, clearly we know x coordinate is positive, y coordinate is negative. Then reflection of this function becomes f of x comma minus y equal to 0. Next, one more, reflection of a function f of x comma y in y-axis is, now the value, x value becomes negative, y value positive. By replacing that symbols, we'll get image of that corresponding function. Here one more, in this based on this concept only, reflection of a f of x comma y equal to 0 with respect to the line y is equal to x is, here what happened, both will interchange, that is f of y comma x is equal to 0. That means x replaced by y replaced by x. Now we'll discuss a few problems based on these concept, foot of the perpendicular and image of a point based on these concepts. That is, okay, for example, exercise exercise 1, in that question number 49. Question number 49, that is, they're asking foot of the perpendicular from minus 2 comma 3 minus 2 comma 3 on x-axis. This is very simple. We can find the given point. Now given point is clearly now lies in which quadrant? Second quadrant. Now we need to find the foot of the perpendicular. So y-axis, it is x-axis. If you draw perpendicular line from P to the point, now what you taken the point to x-axis, this meets perpendicularly at x-axis at which point? Minus 2 comma 0. Therefore, for this clearly answer is what? Foot of the perpendicular from minus 2 comma 3 on x-axis is what? Minus 2 comma 0. Next, one more, question number 50. The 50 is given image of image of 2 comma 3 with respect to minus 1 comma 3. Now here also you'll take as diagram. There is a diagram wise we can understand easily. That is, now for example, I'm taking an x-axis, y-axis. Here 1.2 comma 3 clearly lies in first quadrant, minus 1 comma 3 lies in second quadrant. I'll join these two terms like this. Okay, now the value wise. Okay, minus 1 comma 3, a little bit smaller. Okay, in this, and now we'll take the points wise. What they taken? The points wise, what here? This point is 2 comma 3. And this point, what have you taken? This point is clearly minus 1 comma 3. And we need to find image of 2 comma 3 with respect to minus 1 comma 3. Here what happened? Now this minus 1 comma 3 like act like a line. This will becomes foot of the perpendicular. Now image, that means we need to find image of 2 comma 3 means it is also at the same distance in this lies in same line, lies on same line only from here, same line, and this will becomes image point. Now what is image point? We don't know. For example, if you take this is P and this is Q and this is R. Now we can have a shortcut method because this is a midpoint. The distance between P to Q, how much is there? Q to R also same. And one more thing, in P and Q, both y coordinates are 3 only. That's why the image point y coordinate also clearly 3 because they lies on the line which is parallel to x-axis. Okay, and this is x-axis and this is an y-axis. We have shortcut method. And here what is distance between P to Q? Here 2 units and here 1 unit, but negative side, that's why minus 1 is there. That's why here also from here to here distance how many units? 3 units, but it's going what? Negative side. Already it is Q at minus 1. That's why the image directly what we can take here? Minus 4 comma 3. This is a one shortcut method. Otherwise, if you not require this method, now we'll go through next. Now without taking like this, now Q clearly we know midpoint of P and R. Now I'll take image R is x comma y. Now I want to find out R point. Now Q point what we take in minus 1 comma 3 is equal to, it is a midpoint of line joining, which points P 2 comma 3 and R x comma y. Now we know already midpoint formula, that is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Now clearly what is the coordinates in left side? Minus 1 comma 3. By comparing x coefficients, if we compare first x coefficient, 2x 2 plus x by 2, 2 cross multiplication, minus 1 into 2, that is minus 2. If you send x to that side, that is x value minus 1. Similarly, 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 2 3s are 6. Now later we can take, that is, if we want it directly, denominator not required, directly we can take because 2 into 3, that is 6, will get here 6. If you send the 3 that side, what will get? 3. Here also in this method also what we got finally? R, that is minus 4 comma 3. Otherwise we can go through, before we discussed about directly we can identify by graph also. Okay, next coming to next problem. In the same exercise, we'll take question number 51. Now the equation of the straight line passing through foot of the perpendicular of 4 comma 5 onto x-axis, and image of the same point with respect to y-axis. Now the straight line clearly passing through the 2 points. One point is foot of the perpendicular of 4, 5 on to x-axis. Now clearly you find out foot of the perpendicular of 4, 5 on x-axis. That means before we discussed the 4, 5 is in the first quadrant. If you draw perpendicular line to the x-axis, then the foot of the perpendicular point becomes 4, 0. Next, other point is image of same point. Image of 4, 5 with respect to y-axis. Now, image of y-axis of point, if you want to find out. For example, that is 4, 5 is lying here. We need to find image of the same point with respect to which axis? Y-axis. That's why it lies clearly in which quadrant? Second quadrant. The same length. Second quadrant x value that is negative, y coordinate is positive. That's why image of this one will become what here? Minus 4, 5 will get. Okay. Now both points we got. Now we need to find equation of line. Okay. Now equation of line, that is, because it is passing through 2 points. First point will take x1, y1, and second point is x2, y2. 2 points formula, y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. Y minus y1 is clearly 0. By y2 is 5. 5 minus 4. 5 minus 0 is 5. X minus x1 is 4. That is x minus 4 by x2 value minus 4. X1 is 4. Total minus 4 is minus 8. Cross multiplication minus 8 into y, that is minus 8y. 5 cross multiply 5x minus 20. Now your y coordinate is coefficient is negative. That's why send the right side. Finally, equation of line is 5x plus 8y minus 20 equal to 0. Now this is the solution for this question. Okay, coming to the problem based on this only. Now it is in exercise 2, question number okay, dear student, that is not 56, that is 65. Question number 65. Question is the nearest point on the line 2x minus y plus 5 equal to 0 from the origin. Any point which is nearer to the line means is compulsory the perpendicular line. When you draw only it is possible. From origin we need to find nearest point on the line. That is the nearest point on the line. Want exact will draw. This is a given line. The nearest point from origin to here. Here the point, origin point. Here we need to find nearest point on the line from origin. That when the nearest point will get, if we draw perpendicular line from origin to the line, this point we need to find out here. The given line is what? 2x minus y plus 5 equal to 0. This foot of the perpendicular we don't know, that I'll take same q h comma k, and this origin points gives x1 and y1. Same formula I can use, h minus x1 by a equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. H minus x1 is 0 and a value 2, that is clearly 2. K minus y1 is 0, b value minus 1 equal to minus of ax1. X1 y1 2 into 0 0, total 0 minus 0 plus 5 by a square, 2 square, that is 4, b square minus 1 whole square is 1. Here h by 2 is equal to k by minus 1 minus into plus, that is minus 5 by 5, it is equal to minus 1. By comparing, h by 2 is equal to minus 1, k by minus 1 is equal to minus 1, h is equal to minus 2, k is equal to plus 1. Therefore, the nearest point q is h comma k is equal to minus 2 comma 1. Next, so one more problem, that is 66. Suppose a comma b are 2 points on 2x plus, so not plus, that is a minus 2x minus y plus 3 equal to 0, and the point P 1 comma 2 is such that PA is equal to PB. They're asking then the midpoint AB we need to find out. Okay, in this now, clearly, if you take a exact triangle, because first AB is a line segment, P is some point, from P to A I'll join. Similarly, I'll join P to B also. Now this is a actual now forms an triangle. This is a point P will take. This is A point and this is B point. Here these two are given equal, same lengths, AA. Now in this, when the two sides are equal, it forms a isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, the altitude and median both are becomes equal. The median nothing but it passing through midpoint of opposite side of vertex. That's why now in this, we'll draw height. It's clearly at midpoint. Midpoint we can draw. Now this midpoint only we need to find out. Okay. Now this point I'll take C for example. Here PA equal to PB, therefore triangle PAB is a isosceles triangle. When isosceles triangle, here what happened, this AB line also given. What is the line? 2x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. Now we need to see is the midpoint of which one AB. That is nothing but foot of the perpendicular from P to the line 2x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. Okay. Now here C is the required midpoint. C is equal to what? Nothing but midpoint of AB. Now the C, how to find the C? We don't know. That C I'll take H comma K. Now the C nothing but is foot of the perpendicular from P1 comma to the line 2x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, now same that formula use h minus x1 by a. Now I'm not writing again formula because we used it before many times. H minus, what is x1? X1 is nothing but this one, 1, a value 2, k minus y1, that is 2 by b value minus 1 is minus of ax1, 2 into 1, 2 minus y value 2 plus 3 by a square, 2 square 4 and minus 1 whole square 1. Here now we have 2 gets cancelled. H minus 1 by 2 equal to k minus 2 by minus 1 is equal to minus 3 by 5. I'll compare first and last to find h value and k value. Now h minus 1 by 2, if you compare this, is minus 3 by 5. H minus 1 is equal to minus 3 by 5 plus 2. So not into first. If you multiply with into or into with 2, this will becomes minus 6 by 5. If send 1 that side becomes what? 1 minus 6 by 5. Take LCM 5. 5 minus 6 that is minus 1 by 5. Next, k minus 2 by minus 1 that is equal to minus 3 by 5. K minus 2 is equal to clearly 3 by 5. K is equal to 2. Minus 2 becomes 2. By taking LCM, 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 3 that is 13 by 5. Finally, C point is minus 1 by 5 comma 13 by 5. Next problem based on this, again few more models. Now that is question number 68. The question is the points. The points are capital A, 1 comma 2, capital B, 3 comma minus 4 are 2 vertices of rectangle ABCD and the point lies on CD produced, and then we need to find then C point we need to find. Okay, yeah. Options wise we'll take later. Now first, if we take a rectangle, the producer line also we are taking of CD. Now here the point A is given. A is 1 comma 2. C, and this is D point. This is a produced line for on the line. P point is there. The point P we not again. Sorry, the point P is given. That is P 3 comma 8 lies on CD producer. Okay. Now the P point is lying on this same line. 3 comma 8. Now we need to find the vertex C is required. Okay. Now, but here, coming to the answer, here CD line we don't know C point and D point. We need to find C point. But the CD line passing through which point? P point. First, we don't know the equation of CD. But here AB, CD both are parallel to each other. That's why CD already passing through P point. So we'll find out slope of AB first. Slope of line AB. Now when 2 points is the slope formula, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. These points nothing but x1, y1. These two nothing but x2, y2. Minus 4 minus that is minus 6. 3 minus 1 that is 2. Now finally slope how much you will get? Minus 3. Now we will find out equation of CD. Now this is also what? Slope of CD. Reason AB and CD both are parallel to each other. And this is passing to which point? P 3, 8 and having slope m is minus 3. Point slope formula y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus, here this is x1, y1. 8 is equal to m is minus 3 into x minus 3. Now y minus 8 is equal to minus 3x plus 9. That is total 3x plus y minus 17 equal to 0. I'll go through verification because points wise. Now through verification it is easy because exactly finding C point is not possible. You take first option. The first option, the point is given 33 by 5 comma 14 by 5. This will substitute in the above line. 3 into 30, that is 99 by 5 plus 14 by 5 minus 17. It is never be equal to 0. Simplify. Similarly, second option, that is the given minus 33 by 5 comma 14 by 5. Even this also won't satisfy. That's why not verifying second option also. Coming to third option, when coming to third option, the third option is clearly the given. Third option is 33 by 5 comma minus 14 by 5. If you substitute this one in the equation, 33 into 9, that is 99 by 5 minus 14 by 5 minus 17 equal to 0. In this two LCM is 5, 99 minus 14, that is 85 by 5 minus 17 equal to 0. 85 by 5 nothing but 17 minus 17. The 0 equal to 0. Satisfied, that's why option 3 is the correct one. Okay, next question number 69. A bit different model. If 2x plus 3y plus 4 equal to 0 is the perpendicular bisector of the segment joining the points A1 comma 2 B alpha comma beta. Then we need to find what is alpha plus beta. Okay. Now given line is perpendicular bisector of line segment. Okay, here same, that is I have to apply image formula in this. It's very easy. The given line 2x plus 3y plus 4 equal to 0 is the perpendicular bisector of which point? A 1 comma 2 and B alpha comma beta. Okay, now here we need to find alpha beta value. Can do easy way like this. Can use root of the perpendicular formula. Now here to find this point, the values wise. Now what is see now? Here what happened? The line divides line segment perpendicularly. That's why the angle is 90. Now here B becomes what? Alpha. B is the image of which point? A point. That's why we'll apply that formula, image formula. Now here A 1 comma 2 nothing but x1 y1. B alpha beta nothing but h comma k. A value 2, B value 3, C value 4. So h minus x1, image we need to find out here. Alpha minus x1 by 2, beta minus y1, 2 by 3 equal to minus 2 times of ax1. 2 into 1, 2 plus 3 2s are 6 plus 4 by a square plus b square, 2 square 4 plus 9. Okay, here alpha minus 1 by 2 is equal to beta minus 2 by 3 is equal to total almost 10 plus 2, 12. 12 into minus that is minus 24 by 13. By comparing first and last and second and last, we will get alpha beta. Alpha minus 1, if we compare 2 into minus that is minus 48 by 13. Send 1 that side, 1 minus 48 by 13 from this alpha value. 13 minus 48 that is minus 35 by 13. Similarly, for finding beta, beta minus 2 equal to 3 into minus 24 is minus 72 by 13. Send minus 2 that side, that is becomes plus 2 minus 72 by 13. It's clearly 26 minus 72 by 13. Now from this beta value, what will get? Minus 42 by, so not 42, that is 46 will get by 13. Here we need to find which one finally? Alpha plus beta. Alpha is minus 35, beta is minus 46. Total will get minus 81 by 13 is the answer. Next, one more problem in this last problem in this concept. That is question number 70. The equations of perpendicular bisectors of AB and BC of triangle ABC. The given equations are x minus y minus 5 equal to 0. Next, x plus 2y equal to 0 respectively. And point A also given, that is 1 comma minus 2. Then we need to find C point. Okay, now in this, as per diagram, as per given data, we can take a triangle is formed. Is a triangle. Now in this, given two perpendicular bisectors of these, here A point is given, that is A point is 1 comma minus 2. The given perpendicular bisectors are for these two sides, for AB side, similarly for BC side. Okay, now this line is x minus y minus 5 equal to 0. This line is x plus 2y equal to 0 because these two are the perpendicular bisectors of AB side and BC side. Now we need to find which one C point first. Here, as for this concept, for A, this line for A, B is a what? Image. Okay, na? That's why, and for B, image is what? C with respect to this line. Okay, now using same concept here, first finding image B of point A with respect to first bisector. Okay, now B we don't know. This will take, for example, some h comma k. Same concept we are applying here. Now here, first here A is 1 comma minus 2 is x1 y1. Now B we taken already h comma k, and line x minus y minus 5 equal to 0. Same h minus 1 by A value 1, k minus of minus, that is plus 2 by minus 1 minus 2 times of ax1. 1 into 1 minus 2 into minus, that is plus 2 minus 5 by a square, x coefficient 1, y coefficient minus 1, a square plus b square is 1 plus 1. Now that is minus 2 into 3 minus 5, that is minus 2 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. Here h minus 1 by 1 equal to k minus 2 by minus 1, sorry, plus 2. Minus into minus, here because 2 is cancelled, only plus 2. H is equal to, if you send minus on that side, 2 plus 1, that is 3. K plus 2 is equal to minus 2. K is equal to minus 4. Now the point B, I got what finally? 3 comma minus 4. Now in the same, by using this one now C is h comma k. This will becomes x1 and y1, and the line x plus 2y equal to 0. That means A value 1, B value A1, B2, C value 0. Same concept you are applying, image formula only to find the C point, h minus x1. x1 is 3 by A value 1, k minus y1 is minus 4, that is plus 4, by B value 2, minus 2 times of ax1, that is 1 into 3, that is 3, 2 into minus 4, that is minus 8, and C term is 0 already, no problem, by a square, that is 1 square 1 plus 4. Here what, finally here what, minus 2 into 3 minus 8, that is minus 5 by 5. 5 gets cancelled. Now here finally here what, h minus 3 by 1 is equal to k plus 4 by 2 is equal to minus into minus plus 2. By comparing h value 1 into 2, 2 plus 3, that is 5. Next, k plus 4 is equal to 2 2s are 4. From this, k value is 0. Finally, C point is clearly what? 5 comma 0 is the C vertex. Thank you. Remaining will discuss in tomorrow class. Thank you.